very exciting. It's very new as well for us. I have to say कि जब से ये बात हुई है, it's been about a month. शाहरुख ने तो अपने दिन रात एक कर दिए. He's been working so hard. अपना भी काम करते हैं और फिर IPL के लिए, you know, all these ads, all the creative work you saw today. He's done a lot of it.
I'm a believer of aggression, but what is known as constructive aggression. I want this mantra. I'm an aggressive person by nature, but I have used it in constructive purposes. Of course, that also goes by the fact that I have grown and matured over years. But I think aggression is an inherent part of youth. And somebody needs to channelize it and tell them, use it in a constructive way. So for example, even if you see the advertising, the idea is if somebody hits you with a ball, don't hit him back with the ball, just eat the ball. So it will scare the person, it will tell the person you're aggressive, and it's constructive in a certain sense that you've made your point without being destructive. I think the youth of this country needs to clearly understand that our aggression should not be misutilized by people of vested interests. We should be constructive about it, be cool about it, have a sense of humor, and desire what you wish for and fight for it, win it, but do the aggression in the nice sense of the word.
Yeah!
2020 फॉर्मेट में अच्छी से अच्छी हार जाती है, बुरी से बुरी जीत जाती है. सो आई थिंक इट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग मिक्स. और हम नाइट राइडर्स, हम तो डरना जानते ही नहीं.
परसों हम लोगों ने कोलकाता में लॉन्च किया था एंड इट वाज अ ग्रेट रिसेप्शन. वहाँ पर लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया. द प्रेस आल्सो वाज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड विद द होल आइडिया. एवरीबडी देयर इज रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस the match, and I mean that they come to the stadium to watch it, and we make it an event that they will always remember. Well, I will do whatever they want me to. As yet, they've been very sweet to me. They've let me off. But in time, I'm sure as I get more involved, even I'll learn a lot more about cricket now. Earlier, मैं तो passing में cricket देखती हूँ. जब रूम से गुजर रहे होते हैं और बाकी सब लोग cheer कर रहे होते हैं तो पता चलता है क्या हो रहा है, कौन out हो गया, कितने runs हो गए. So now I will be watching matches, watching who sponsors what, watching everything, the nitty-gritties of cricket.
2020 फॉर्मेट ऐसा है जो उस दिन जो सुबह बेहतर हालत में उठा है वही जाकर जीत जाता है. सो एक टीम या दो टीम या तीन टीम नहीं, आई थिंक सारी की सारी टीम्स बहुत अच्छी हैं, क्योंकि जो प्रोसेस था बिडिंग का, चाहे उसको कितना भी बुरा या अच्छा कहा जाए, समवेयर एक बैलेंस आ गया है उसकी वजह से.
It's everything. It's everything. Why not? It is business, it is entertainment, it is sports. It's all three combined.
I don't know the internals of how the big cricket authorities work. I have full respect for them. But I'm not the team manager. I'm not in any which way going to participate in the technical aspects of cricket that John Buchanan and Saurav Ganguly and Ishant and Shoaib and Vicky, they are fantastic minds and great legends in their own right. And they would do that. I'm actually the entertainment part of this company. The administrative part of the company is also headed by people who dedicated their life to cricket. So you have Joy, you have Jeet, you have Red Chillies, you have Cineyu. So all these guys are going to handle that. I'm not going to send any orders which are autocratic in this Night Riders. It's about freedom. It's about happiness.
Such a wonderful person. मैं उनको पहले बहुत कम मिली थी. यहाँ वहाँ कभी दिख जाते थे एयरपोर्ट पे या ऐसे ही. And then of course on the field he's been such a great player. And abhi haal hi mein I've started meeting him a lot more because of the Kolkata team, and he's heading it, and I'm so proud and so happy that it's in his capable hands.
इंडिया के अंदर माँ के पेट में से ही बच्चा क्रिकेट सीख कर निकलता है, because cricket is such a famous game in India.
Cricket और films इंडिया में कितने बड़े हैं. Everybody loves the two, and the two are coming together. That means it could only get bigger and better.
जब कोई प्लेटफॉर्म हमको मिलता है जिसमें हमारा इंटरेस्ट हो, अगर वो प्लेटफॉर्म हमें अवेलेबल है, और आईपीएल था, ये क्रिकेट की लीग शुरू हुई, और मुझे लगता है अगर कोई स्पोर्ट इस वक्त कमर्शियली इंडिया में वायबल है वो क्रिकेट है. इंशाल्लाह अगर इससे हम कुछ कमा सकेंगे, इसको एस्टैब्लिश कर सकेंगे, तो दूसरे स्पोर्ट्स की तरफ भी सबका झुकाव होगा.
How was that? Yeah! Yes!